Hey guys, this is Mike Mind.me and welcome to another freeCodeCamp lesson. In this one we're gonna learn how to match single characters not specified, using regular expressions. So far you have created a set of characters that you want to match, but you could also create a set of characters that you do not want to match. This type of character sets are called negative character sets. To create a negative character set, you place a caret that is right above the number 6 on your keyboard, after the opening bracket and before the characters you do not want to match. For example, / in square brackets you put the caret and you do not want to match A, E, E, O, U, so basically the vowels. So it matches everything except the vowels. Know that characters like exclamation point, the period, not like the period as in everything, the period as in the actual period in the sentence. So the exclamation point, brackets, around, / and white spaces are matched. The negative vowels character set only excludes the vowels characters. So let's get to the exercise now. We have to create a single regex that matches all the characters that are not a number or a vowel. Remember to include the appropriate flags in the regex. This is quite easy. Let's change the change word. Put square brackets. Inside we're gonna put a caret to exclude everything. So we have to exclude all the vowels A, E, E, O, U, and now we have to exclude all the numbers 0 to 9, and we have to put our flags over here, G, E, and of course we have to run the match to the sample. So quote sample dot match my regex, and let's run the test. And there we have it. Woohoo! See you in the next lesson.